To get started with Monday.com subitems, first you need to understand what they are and how they can be used to enhance your workflow. Subitems are smaller tasks or components that are part of a larger item, allowing you to break down complex projects into more manageable pieces. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board where you want to create subitems. Click on the item you want to add subitems to. Then click on the three-dot menu that appears next to the item name. From the drop-down menu, select the Add Subitem option. A new window will appear where you can enter the details of your subitem, including the name and description. You can also assign the subitem to a team member, set a due date, and add relevant tags or dependencies. Once you have created your subitem, you can view it in the Subitems section of the main item. From here, you can track the progress of each subitem, update the status, and add comments or attachments as needed. To take full advantage of subitems, it is essential to use them in conjunction with other Monday.com features, such as automation and integrations. For example, you can set up automations to notify team members when a subitem is assigned to them or when the status of a subitem is updated. Best practices for using subitems include keeping them concise and focused on a specific task, using clear and descriptive names, and regularly reviewing and updating the status of each subitem. By following these best practices and leveraging the power of subitems, you can streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and achieve your goals more efficiently. In conclusion, Monday.com subitems are a powerful tool for breaking down complex projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. By understanding how to create and use subitems effectively, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com and take your workflow to the next level.